Welcome back. Now I'm going to show you how to get news of from different countries. So as you can see, this is news from Germany, and you can get news from any country around the world. And to do that, you can head on over to the service and then click on documentation, and then you can click on top headlines, and then if you scroll, you'll find country. Here we have all countries that you can use. For example, if you use US, you will get news from the US, only from the US. So how can you get news from the US? You can again head on over to the functions and then remember here the country parameter, you can say US. If you say US and save and refresh, you are going to get US news, only US news. Now if I refresh, as you can see, these news are from the US, are related to the United States. And if you want other countries, for example, if I say, I don't know, let's say GB. If I say GB, I think GB is Great Britain. And if I refresh, I should get news from Great Britain. So as you can see, these uh, headlines are related to Great Britain. And if you want news from other countries, you can select one of these. So let's say AE. I don't know what this country is, but let me say AE, and let me refresh. That's gonna give me news from another country. So as you can see, it's gonna give me news from another country. Let's test another country. So for example, SI. Let me say SI. Let me refresh. So if I say SI, as you can see, I'm gonna get news from this country. So you will get news from around the globe depending upon the country that you select from here. So you need to know who your customer is. If you know who your customer is, you will be able to adapt this website to serve that specific customer, because you cannot just target a specific country and display news from another country. For example, if you are targeting people from Great Britain, you need to display news related to Great Britain, and you wouldn't want to display news that is related to China, for example, or Germany or the United States if you are targeting Great Britain. This is very important, and you need to take this into account before you publish your website.